In this video, I'll show you how to create a round-robin bracket tournament. Round-robin brackets are ideal for tournaments with many participants and limited time, ensuring a thorough and fair determination of the top competitors. This format allows everyone to compete against each other, reducing the chances of untested advancements. It enhances the spectator experience by offering more matches and flexible scheduling. Overall, round-robin brackets provide a comprehensive and engaging way to showcase and assess competitors' abilities. Setting up a round-robin online bracket is a simple process. You can select the round-robin format right from the welcome screen. Or select it within the Settings section. The editor allows for effortless management of the bracket's participants. You can easily monitor the games and decide the winner for each match. The bracket also offers customization options for its visual design. To kick off your round-robin tournament, just click the Start Tournament button in the top right corner. And that's it. For more tips and how-to videos, be sure to check out our website and YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy bracketing!